morning children. Welcome to English language class. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Have you written the homework given the last class? What was it? I told you try to do the book exercise and do the copy work also. I'm sure you have done. Keep it your good work. Now I am going to teach English language revision unit 2. English language revision unit 2 chapter 5 articles. Revision unit 2 chapter 5 articles. Okay? See, unit 2 chapter 5 articles. This revision. I have taught this lesson, but I am going to teach revision chapter 5 articles. What are articles? A and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. These are used before naming words. These are used before naming words. Example, a book, an apple, the sun. Understand? Okay, those were not written in your copy. Please take out your English language copy, then write. Okay? Those are not right in your copy. Please write down English language copy. Write down the heading chapter 5 articles. Then you write down what are articles. A and the are called articles. These are used before naming words. You should write the example also. Example, a book, an apple, the sun. Okay? All of you take your English language book. Page number 34. Chapter 5 articles. For revision for the exam. I already taught this lesson. But now I am going to teach a revision. Understand all of you? Okay. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant. Examples, a door, a squirrel, a nest, a giraffe. Okay, then we use an before naming words that begin with a vowel. When you are using an, we use an before naming words that begin with a vowel. For example, an owl, an alligator, an envelope, an igloo. A and an are called articles. A and an are called articles. This part all of you understand? Okay? Then we are just move the exercise. Okay? Fill in the blanks with a or an. Fill in the blanks with a or and. First one, how many days are there in a week? Answer is A. Then 2, I saw a frog hop into the pond. Answer is A. Then 3, please carry an umbrella, it is raining. Answer is an. Then 4, Farida saw an eagle sitting on their roof. Answer is an. Then 5, I can climb a tree. Answer is A. Then 6, Ira wants to be an actor. Answer is an. Then 7, have you ever seen an octopus? Answer is an. Then 8, my brother gifted me a toy. Answer is A. I already taught this exercise also. Those who are not written in your book, please write down now. Okay, those who are not write in your English language book, please write now. Then next. See, work with your partner, take the turns to the name animals in the pictures, use a or an with their names. See, the is also an article. The is also an article. We use the in a place of a or an when we talk about a noun for the second time. Example, I ate an apple. The apple is very sweet. I repeat, the is also an article. We use the in place of a or an when we talk about a noun for the second time. Understand all of you? Then for the example, I ate an apple. I ate an apple. The apple was very sweet. Okay? Then take page number 36. We use the also before the names of oceans, seas and rivers. Ida Indian Ocean, ida Red Sea, ida Ganga. I repeat, we use the also before the names of oceans, seas and rivers. Understand? Okay, ida Indian Ocean, ida Red Sea, ida Ganga. Okay, then famous buildings. The Red Fort, the Lotus Temple, the Lotus Temple. The Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Things that are only one of their kind, the sun, the earth. That time also we can use the sun, the earth. Things that are only one of their kind. Okay, the sun, then the earth. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.